Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. How are you all?
And we are fine.
And we are fine.
Very nice. Very good. What about that crops work that we were doing? Have all of you drawn those crops?
Ma'am, I have completed.
Did you send on the class group?
Ma'am, I have drawn the crops, but I have not colored it.
Why, beta? Why? Why are you people taking so long for that just little work? What about others? Tanmay, Shreya, Advika, Shaurya, Apurva, Nihit.
Ma'am, I have completed and I have sent it on the WhatsApp
Ma'am,
group.
I have completed and I have sent it. My name is Tanmay, ma'am.
Good. Very nice. What about you, Nihit?
Ma'am, I have to color my crops.
So today you're going to complete that work. Now I'm not going to again use this class for the same work. We are going to do something else today. Is that fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Get ready for your revision. We are going to do revision from chapter 16, 17 and 18. Is that fine?
Ma'am, in rough or fair?
In your, okay, let's do one thing. You will type the answers in the chat box. Is that fine? So that I come to know who is actually not doing the work. Because in the copy, I can't come to know. But here, I'll hand to hand know it that who is not giving me the answer. Is that fine? Each one of you is supposed to participate. If you are there in the class, I want answers from all of you in the chat box. Is that fine?
Ma'am, we have to send it to you personally.
Yes, you have to send it to me directly. The answers will come to me directly. Okay, don't send it to everyone. Is that fine? Yes, in the chat box. Is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Good. Now your question number 1 is, children, it can be any kind of a question. It can be a one word kind of a thing. It can be a short answer. It can be long answer. Fine. You can take help from your book. It is not a test. We are just doing revision. Clear? So question number 1, that, yes.
Ma'am, we have to do in a copy
No
we have to...
You
Chat
have
box.
yes, you have to type the answer in the chat box. And I want answers from each one of you. Nobody will sit in the class like that. I'll give you 2 turns, and in 2 turns, if I see some student is there in the class but is not giving answer, then I'll remove you from the class. Is that fine? And I will call out your name before removing you. Now, if you don't want to feel bad, you have to answer. If you don't know the answer, type in the chat box, ma'am, I don't know the answer. Okay? Now, your question number 1 that comes is, from question number 16. Oh, sorry, from chapter number 16. The question, have we done the revision of chapter 16, children? I think we have done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the question comes from chapter number 17. And the question is, Paradip Port is in which state? Paradip Port is in which state? Remember, your answers should come to me directly, not to everyone in the class.
Ma'am, please tell again.
Paradip Port is in which state? No, Apurva and Shaurya, this is wrong answer. Arif Sharma, very good. Nihit, very good. Correct answer. But Arif Sharma and Nihit, why have you sent the answer to everyone?
Ma'am,
I
it by
told-
mistake. Sorry, ma'am, by mistake.
Yes, beta, please be careful.
The answer, please check.
Please be careful. You are not supposed to send it to everyone. Let other children also find out in the book.
Please check my answer. I have sent it.
Yes, now everyone's answer is going to be correct because the correct answer has come to everyone already. The next question is, where is Kanha Tiger Reserve? Where is Kanha Tiger Reserve? I mean, in which state? In which state Kanha Tiger Reserve lies? Okay, very good, Pratyush Pal. Noel, it's the wrong answer. Apurva Shaurya, very good, correct answer. Noel, please find out in the book where it is.
Ma'am, I is correct.
Who is asking? Harsh is asking. Harsh, beta, where is your answer? I can't see it.
Ma'am, but I have sent it. Ma'am, of first one now.
No, beta, of the second one now. You have to tell where is Kanha Tiger Reserve situated or located. Nihit, okay. I'm giving you a hint. Children, see, Chhattisgarh is wrong answer. Now I'm giving you a hint. You can find this answer on page number 112. Those who haven't answered it correctly, please look for the
check
answer.
my answer. I have sent it.
Okay, let me see. Karthik, yes, your answer is correct. Very good, Noel. Karthik, beta, why is the state name incomplete? Why have you written just half name? Very good, Adeshika. Chhattisgarh is wrong answer, children. Those who have answered Chhattisgarh. Advika, again wrong.
Please check. Ma'am, I have sent
Yes.
it. Full
Yes.
name.
Good. Now it's correct. Karthik. Very nice. Where is Virat's answer? I can't see Virat's answer anywhere. Where is Shrishti Gupta's answer? Where is Pratishtha Singh's answer? Naman, where is
My answer is correct.
Harsh Agarwal? Yes, your answer is correct. Advika, you will write name of all the states, huh? Advika,
What we have to do?
beta, I am asking you questions and you have to write the answer in the chat box.
Ma'am, please tell the question.
The question is, in which state is Kanha Tiger Reserve? No, Srishti Gupta, it is wrong answer. Okay, children, I'm going to tell you the correct answer. It is...
Ma'am, please wait 1 minute.
Okay. Very good, Naman. Arif Sharma, Ritvik Arora, very good. Okay. Can I tell the answer now?
Ma'am, please wait 1 minute. I'm writing.
Okay,
Ma'am,
Naman.
can I?
Naman,
Ma'am, please wait a minute.
Naman, you are not supposed to send your answer to everyone. Please send your answer directly to me.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Pratishtha, are you still looking for the answer?
Ma'am, I'm writing.
Okay, tell me whose name am I missing in this attendance list? Nihit, Pratyush, Shaurya, Apurva, Harsh, Karthik, Noel, Adeshika, Virat, Naman, Arif, Ritvik, Tanmay. I'm missing out Pratishtha's name, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes,
who
ma'am.
else? One more student I'm missing. Who is that student? Advika. I think Advika's name I haven't called out.
Ma'am, Pratyush.
Pratyush?
I think Tanmay.
No, Pratyush is on second number. After Nihit, I called out Pratyush. Now even Lakshay has joined.
Ma'am, I is correct.
Pratishtha, yes, correct, beta. Where is Kana Tiger Reserve situated or located? It is located in Madhya Pradesh.
Madhya Pradesh.
Very good. The correct answer.
Pradesh.
Yes. In which state is the Jagannath temple? Where is Jagannath temple? Okay, Apurva and Shaurya, your answer is correct, beta, but you have to tell the state.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
please
I
repeat
is
the
correct.
question.
My answer is correct.
Who, Nihit, you are asking? Yes, beta. Nihit, your answer is correct.
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
Where is Jagannath temple located? Very good, Adeshika. Very good, Ritvik. Correct answer. Very good, Naman. Apurva and Shaurya, I want you to write the state name, beta.
Ma'am, please tell question again.
The question is, where is Jagannath temple located? All those who have joined late, you have to send answer in the chat box and you have to send the answer directly to me. Don't send it to everyone. Very good, Noel. Very good, Pratishtha, Apurva, Shaurya, Pratyush. Correct answer. Advika Gupta, correct answer. Arif, good. Virat, where is your answer? Karthik, where is your answer? Children, if you don't know the answer, you can write, ma'am, I don't know. At least show your presence by writing this. So where is Jagannath temple located? It is located in the state of Orissa.
Odisha.
Yes. Ranchi is the capital of which state? Ranchi is the capital of which state? Very nice, Noel. Very nice, Nihit. Pratyush Pal, correct answer. Harsh Agarwal, correct answer. Ritvik.
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
Ranchi is the capital of which state? Shaurya and Apurva, Karthik, Arif. Very good, correct answer. Naman, good. Ranchi is the capital of Jharkhand. Very good, Karthik and Pratishtha. Now, you have to tell some important tourist attractions of Karnataka. This is not a one-word answer. You have to tell all the tourist attractions of Karnataka.
Ma'am, I have sent.
Very good.
Ma'am, my is correct.
Arif, beta, your answer is correct, but it is not the complete answer. I told you to name all the tourist attractions of Karnataka.
Ma'am, my answer.
Yes, Pratyush, it's perfect. Arif, please add all the places.
Ma'am, I have also sent the answer.
Very nice,
Ma'am, I have
Advika.
also sent
Yes,
the answer.
very good, Advika. Very good, Noel. But Noel,
Ma'am,
even
I
your
have
answer
also
is
sent the
not
answer.
complete. Your answer is
Ma'am, I
not
have
complete.
also sent the answer. Ma'am, I have also sent the answer.
Yes, Nihit, beta, that is what I'm saying. You haven't used my, see, it is Mysore Palace. And use children, why are you not using commas in between? Yes, Harsh, it's correct, beta. Okay, Apurva and Shaurya, your answer is correct. Very good, Noel.
Ma'am, please see my.
Pratishtha, same I said. Yes. So the famous tourist attractions of Karnataka are the Mysore Palace, Vrindavan Garden, and Jog Falls, and also many temples. People visit Karnataka to see all these places. Okay, the next that comes is where is the Nagarjuna Dam? In which state is the Nagarjuna Dam? In which state is the Nagarjuna Dam?
Ma'am, please repeat the.
Where is the Nagarjuna Dam? No, Nihit, beta. Okay, yes, it's correct. Very good, Shaurya and Apurva. Very good, Nihit. Then let me see who else can answer it. No, Harsh, beta, it's wrong.
Ma'am, my is correct.
Very good, Arif. It's correct.
Ma'am, my answer is correct.
Very good, Ritvik. Very good, Pratyush. Yes, it's correct.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question
Ma'am,
again?
please tell next question.
Where is the Nagarjuna Dam built? Those who have not answered, please answer. I'm waiting for your answer. Shreyansh Patel. Shrishti Gupta. Lakshay. Where are your answers? Fahad. Fahad, have you answered it? Nagarjuna Dam is built in the state of Andhra Pradesh. If you don't know the answer, children, please type, I don't know. The next question is, what are the main occupations of the people of Lakshadweep Islands? What are the two main occupations?
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
What are the two main occupations of the people of Lakshadweep Islands?
Ma'am, I have given that.
Very nice, Noel. Very nice, Pratyush. Very nice, Apurva and Shaurya. Very good, Naman. Hurry up, children. Those who have not typed, please find in the book. The answer is on page number 115. You will be able to see the answer on page number 115. In the Lakshadweep Islands, the main
Please
occupation.
check.
Yes, Pratishika, very good. Very good, Adeshika. The two main occupations are fishing and tourism. Very nice. The next that comes is what is the southernmost tip of Andaman and Nicobar Islands called? What is the southernmost tip of Andaman and Nicobar Islands called? Okay, Tanmay Singh. Beta see in Andaman and Nicobar Island. Read that out. Read the paragraph.
Ma'am,
Very
my
good,
answer is
Ritvik.
correct.
Yes, very good, Shaurya and Apurva. Very good, Nihit, Ritvik, Advika. Very nice.
What is the question?
The question is, what is the southernmost tip of Andaman and Nicobar Islands called? Very good, Noel. The southernmost tip of these islands is called the Indira Point. Children, shall I start removing you out from the class? If you don't want to participate in this revision.
Ma'am, I have also sent the answer.
Very good, Adeshika. You want me to call out your names? Shall I call them out? There are so many students who are not writing anything. The next question is, what do the people of Tamil Nadu eat?
Please repeat the question.
What do the people of Tamil Nadu eat? Very good, Ritvik. Only Ritvik Arora has sent the answer. Very good, Apurva and Shaurya.
Ma'am, what is the question?
The question is, what do the people of Tamil Nadu eat? Very good, Pratishtha. Very good, Noel. Very good, Naman. The people of Tamil Nadu eat idli, dosa, upma, sambar. Very nice. Then, name the minerals that are found in the state of Chhattisgarh. Name the minerals that are found in the state of Chhattisgarh. Which minerals are found there? Hurry up and tell.
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
Name the minerals found in the state of Chhattisgarh.
Ma'am, we have to tell all.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, my answer is correct.
Yes, Naman, your answer is correct. Pratyush, your answer is correct. Nihit, your answer is correct. Advika Gupta, please find out, beta. In the state of Chhattisgarh, it is clearly written. Very good, Apurva, Shaurya. Spelling, just check your spellings, beta. Very good, Ritvik. Very nice, Adeshika. The next question is,
Ma'am, please wait.
Okay. Okay. No, Pratishtha, beta, what are you answering? I asked you the minerals that are found in the state of Chhattisgarh. Which minerals are found there? Minerals like coal, iron, and bauxite are found there. Okay. Then the next question is, name the main industries of Chhattisgarh. Which are the main industries of Chhattisgarh? Name the industries, the main industries of Chhattisgarh. Where will you find this answer? You will find this answer in the state of Chhattisgarh. Now, there are just 2 paragraphs given. So, try to find out there, children. In the second paragraph of Chhattisgarh, you will see this answer. No, Noel, beta, this is not the correct answer. Very good, Naman. Very nice, Ritvik. Very good, Adeshika. Good answer. What happened, Pratyushpal? No answer. Are you not able to find it? Pratishtha, beta, what are you saying? I am saying you to name the main industries of Chhattisgarh. This is not the answer. Mining. See, in the second paragraph of Chhattisgarh, the state is rich in minerals such as coal, iron, and bauxite. The next line after that is mining, agriculture, energy production, and manufacturing are the main industries of Chhattisgarh. Everybody underline this. Mining, agriculture, energy production, and manufacturing. These are the main industries of Chhattisgarh. Then the next question that you get is, name the tourist attractions of the state of Maharashtra. Name all the tourist attractions of the state of Maharashtra.
Ma'am, please.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, please repeat the question again.
Name all the tourist attractions of Maharashtra.
Ma'am, what?
Name all the tourist attractions of Maharashtra. Beta, all of them. Nihit, just don't name only one.
Ma'am, repeat the question.
Name the tourist attractions of Maharashtra. You have to name them all. Very good, Ritvik Arora. Only Ritvik has sent the answer so far.
Ma'am, I have also sent the answer.
Very good, Adeshika. Yes, correct answer. Very good, Noel. Nihit, beta, still your answer is incomplete. Shreyansh, the question is, name all the tourist attractions of Maharashtra. What are the tourist attractions? Yes. Now it's complete, beta. The tourist attractions of Maharashtra are...
Ma'am, please check mine.
Yes, beta. Perfect. Spelling mistake, Pratishtha. Ajanta and Ellora caves, Elephanta, Mahabaleshwar and Panchgani.
Okay, ma'am.
These are the tourist attractions of Maharashtra. Okay. One last question that you get from this chapter is, what is the capital of Kerala? What is the capital of Kerala? Let me see who types it with correct spellings.